Yo, what's up guys? Sleep back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to be making money in 2026 in crypto. And I feel like there's a lot of ways that people want to make money in crypto. I actually think I found the best way that you can actually make money in crypto this year. This isn't a guarantee. I'm not going to guarantee that you're going to make money doing this, but this is the route that I will be taking in 2026 to actually make money in crypto. So as you guys know, the market has gone up a little bit. It did kind of go down today a tiny bit. I believe we're down like 7% today, just probably a liquidation, just to get short or longs liquidated. But yeah, no, that's fine. Things like this have happened, but worse. So let's actually go over to Discover real quick on Axiom Deck Screener, 24 hours. These are the best settings to use. Okay, so as you guys can see here, we have White Whale, we have Ralph, we have Sold the Trophy Tomato, we have Gastown, and we have Psyop Anime. Okay, so you might be asking, what is the common between all of these things? What is the same between all of these coins, right? So actually, the middle ground between all of these coins is they're actually listed on mexc, right? And they're also listed on KSX and some other smaller futures platforms as well, right? So how can we actually make money from these coins, right? So actually, you could make money trading the coins, right? Which, would you guys rather make money betting that the price goes up on something like this, or would you guys rather make money betting on the price going down on something like this, right? When we're talking about short memes, cut that out of fun. When we're talking about short-lived memes, we're actually looking at these charts here, and we're actually catching an understanding for, you know, how do these memes actually work, right? So why does this have potential to go up, basically, right? Does this have potential to go up? Should this be at this price currently? And those are things that we're going to be looking for in these coins like this, like White Whale, right? White Whale was a Twitter play that, I guess White Whale is some sort of terminology used on CT crypto Twitter. And a lot of people kind of blasted this. I do think it was kind of controlled by market makers. As you can see, these wallets here that are like selling, yeah, T2R, these type of wallets there, I believe those are market maker wallets. Sometimes you'll see market maker wallets just buying and selling these type of coins. As you can see, someone's buying, it says bundle. That could be a market maker. It could not be, who knows. So this coin actually spiked up to $190 million in market cap, and or 190 million market cap, and it's currently down to a $55 million market cap. I actually just recorded this video, but I had to re-record it because my microphone wasn't on for whatever reason. Recorded 15 minutes of footage and completely gone. So when I actually recorded this video, it was up at like a $61 million market cap. As you can see, it was about here, 60 mil, and now it's at 55. So how can we actually benefit off these coins going down? I'm going to explain that right now. How can we catch these coins? So actually, as you can see, as I just said, mexc lists coins that go up on, you know, Solana. This is on Pump V1, which is on Solana chain, correct? So this is how I'm going to be making money in crypto in 2026, is shorting meme coins. Shorting meme coins, I feel like, is a very, it's not really talked about as much on CT, YouTube. I don't see a lot of videos coming out about people explaining how you can actually short meme coins. I don't see people really, you know, just in the market of things and people talking. I don't really see a lot of people talking about it. That's basically what I'm trying to say. So as you can see, we have some of these coins here: Ralph, Gastown, Soul Tomato, Psyop Anime. White Whale is actually listed on here as well. So let's take a look at White Whale, as I just searched that one up. 1 hour chart. So I did mark this up for the video that I just recorded that didn't actually catch my mic, but so as you can see here, this coin was listed and it was automatically at a $130 million market cap when it was listed, correct? It ended up dipping down to a $76 million market cap, which is already a 50% profit if you think about it. I believe, yeah, around 50% profit, or probably around 38-40%. But if you guys actually would have caught this when it came out, you could have shorted it here, could have took profits down here, could have just kept holding it. And then actually you could have put in more here, here, here. So with memes like this that don't really have anything behind it, or like, you know, serious intrinsic value for it, I would honestly just keep putting in more money into these shorts, and then eventually you're gonna get paid out when it goes down like this. As you can see, I should actually mark this up here as well. So I would have entered, well, I should probably, hold on, let me say around this range. So for white whale, I would have entered around in this range when it first came out, knowing the meme and what it was, and just not really having any value. Like it's a little bit rare that we get these that don't really have value, and memes that actually get listed onto exchanges like mexc, casex, bitget, all that. So as you can see, I would have shorted it here, and then if it would have went down and I would have seen profit, you know, a good amount of profit, I would have put in 1k here into like a 1x position. And that's one thing I actually want to add on as well. You're gonna want to be doing 1x shorts for all of these, because if you would have done 10x and you would have, you know, opened it here 130, you just have to go up, what would it have to go to, 10% more, which would be about 13. So yeah, probably around here somewhere, 146. You would have got liquidated there, which is actually a very short move, instead of 260, which would have been crazy high up. So in my opinion, you guys are gonna want to have a little bit of money to put into these, because 1x is gonna be the way to go, not borrowing money. Obviously you're gonna want to always use 1x and make sure you're on 1x when you do these positions, right? So yeah, I would have entered here. I'm getting a little bit off track, guys, and I apologize. I would have entered here, and then if it would have went down and then went up back up here, I would have entered in here again, or maybe around in this range, just to you know, just to get more in, just to get more value into it, seeing that it could go down like that, and just that the narrative of this is just really isn't that good, correct? So then I would have probably entered in around here and then around here, and then boom, what does it do from 200? It just goes straight down. It just cooks all the way down to 50. So let's say you put in 1k here, and then you put in, I don't know, like another 1k in this area, and then maybe another 1k when it goes here. You would have around 3k into this coin, 4k. So this is from, your average would have probably been around here, correct? Or I believe around here, so 170. So currently this is down to a $56 million market cap from 170. So you would have been up probably a couple racks, to be honest. So I do think shorting is going to be the way that I make money in 2026. As you can see, it's just candling down right now. Went from 76 down to a 56 in the last couple hours here. Down 20% now, which is kind of crazy. Let's go back to Axie and see what this is doing. Yeah, it's just kind of candling down. So yeah, this is how I plan on making money in 2026 crypto. You have these coins like Ralph, you have White Whale, you have Sold the Trophy Tomato, Testicle might get listed, that would be funny. Buckcoin might get listed, Syrup Anime is already listed, Gas Sound's listed. Like Gas Sound's on 40% today. Guys, look. Look at this chart. This got listed and was available to trade, I believe, up at 46 mil. Let's check real quick. Let's check Gas down. As you can see, it's down 44%. Yeah, so okay guys, you could have traded this coin at a $48 million market cap, right? So right here, you could have entered in, which is what I would have done. And guys, now this coin is all the way down at an $8 million market cap. That's almost 100% return, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, just wanted to share this with you guys. Always 1x leverage. This is going to be my main focus of content now for 2026. I will still be doing a little bit of meme coin content, just to, you know, get that out there as well, and just to spread the knowledge I have on that. I do think, you know, futures and trading perps and these type of things are going to have a lot more profits in it, just long term, but it does include patience, with which a lot of meme coin traders do not have, and that's understandable. Yeah, this is more of a way to compound your money and make money, and I do think we should do trading series, which would be cool. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More videos like this to come, and peace out. See y'all in the next video. Peace.